Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for nearby restaurants on the DoorDash application where you can order food from. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the first icon down below, which is the home option. And after that, click on the this location button at the top of the screen. Here you can search for your location and search for an address by typing in the name of the city, town, country, or whatever that you prefer. If you want to use your location instead of typing in your current address, tap on use current location and then you will be directed to your phone's settings where you should allow the application to have access to your location. So select either while using the app or always. Then if you go back to the application, your location will be here you can see that's the result. So that's the location, your location. So tap on it and click on save address if you want to, but you have the chance to type in another address if you are looking for restaurants at a particular town by just simply using the search box or the search bar at the top of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.